Welcome to Small Aid. Well, it's been a year since we used this thing, and now it's a bit movable, but definitely silent. The neighbors down below can't hear it, according to the tests we've done with the 2.5 kilogram hammer. And you can see the marks over there. So it's getting rusty, and it's about time to use it. So without further ado, let me shut up and get to having some fun with Mr. Kermit. Well, guys, 2 leaves, half done. My arm is just killing me. But it's been a lot of fun. I'm guessing this will fall off and this will be okay. And as a practicing session, it's fine by me, you know. So I'll let it cool off. Fold it further and a bit back down. Just drop it a bit. Place it fell over there. Alright. Okay. I think I'll stop right there. Take that into the forge. Now it's not running, but it's hot enough to heat this up. I don't need it red hot. I just need it hot enough to dissolve wax and protect it. So this is an old lump of beeswax, pure beeswax, very crude as you can see. It's got a big crack in it too. So nice and black. Okay, let me get you in and I'll show you. That is it. It's pretty good. I didn't get all the texturing I wanted. There's just a few blows there. I also wanted to fold this one over there, but I don't know, I'm pretty happy. I'd say that's a fairly big one. I'd like to make smaller ones. Maybe I'll make a set of scales. Also had some flaws here, but as the jaws bit into the material, and I think I'll need to smooth out my jaws, the tongue jaws that is. So this is not, you know, perfect, not ideal, but after a year of not practicing blacksmithing at all, that's okay. It's not too bad. The waxy coat did its thing. It's not very sticky. It's actually not sticky at all unless you really insist on pushing your fingers there. All in all, I'd say I'm pleased. So palm size, that's fairly big. We're going to make a set of small ones, so it's a matter of practice. Also got this one. I can see that. I'm trying to focus there. Focus. Maybe. And as you can see, there's I don't know if you can see, there's a blow there that wasn't aimed right. My fault, totally. Alright, so good practice, fun practice. Did I enjoy it? Oh yeah, that was a lot of fun. Will I be able to do more? I really hope so. I'm working on silencing my anvil. We had a really good successful trial, and my neighbors complained that the second trial wasn't as good. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a sweet day. Yeah, thought that would do that. There goes the failed attempt.